Concrete mixer pump is a concrete construction equipment that integrates mixing and pumping. Characteristics of mixer pump. Concrete mixer pump is suitable for all kinds of concrete construction projects, used in the construction of houses, bridges, roads, tunnels, etc., and is often used in the construction of 5-10th floor buildings in the village. The actual vertical height of pumped concrete can reach 20 to 50 meters, and the horizontal distance is 100 to 300 meters. Concrete mixer pump has many advantages, such as a high degree of automation, compact structure, reasonable, stable operation, energy saving and environmental protection, long conveying distance, convenient movement, convenient maintenance, and low cost of use. The main oil pump adopts a constant power variable plunger pump, which makes full use of the power of the engine, motor, and the system pressure is high. The advanced swing cylinder control system increases the thrust by 50%, making the S-tube swing fast and reliable. Adopt JZC 450 type mixer with large mixing capacity and good mixing effect. The lubrication system adopts automatic control with low oil consumption, low use cost, and a high degree of automation. The electrical system adopts PLC control, which is easy to operate, stable and reliable in performance, and high in automation.